2019 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, center armrest, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, tachometer, HD radio, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.